Grundfos Company is the global leader in water pump solutions. Save more with every drop. Grundfos pumps are energy efficient. Grundfos pumps offers reliable performance, efficiency at its best, energy savings, versatile applications, seamless integration, innovative design, and superior quality. Hamsa Enviro Energy Solution offers wide range of Grundfos pumps. We are the supplier, dealer, and distributor of Grundfos pressure booster pumps, pressure booster twin pumps, water transfer pumps, water drainage submersible pumps, wastewater transfer pumps, and hot water circulation pumps. Grundfos pressure booster pumps: CMB booster pump with PT, CM pump with PM pressure pump, UPA shower booster pump, CM with 60L tank, Scala 1, Scala 2, CMB booster pump and pressure manager. Benefits of Grundfos pressure booster pump: ultimate water pressure, unmatched reliability, energy efficient water pressure, compact design, durability you can trust, effortless installation and smart control for consistent water pressure. Applications of Grundfos pressure booster pump can be used in various applications in residential buildings, commercial buildings, industrial applications, agriculture and farming, municipal and infrastructure, hospitals and healthcare facilities, and recreational facilities, in high-rise buildings and specialty applications. Grundfos pressure booster twin pumps are CMBE twin booster pump, CM twin booster, and CM with PM twin pumps. Benefits of Grundfos pressure booster twin pumps are ultimate water pressure, redundancy and reliability, energy-efficient water pressure, enhanced performance, ease of maintenance, space-saving design, advanced control systems, application flexibility and cost savings. Applications of Grundfos pressure booster twin pumps can be used in residential buildings, commercial buildings, industrial applications, agriculture and farming, municipal and infrastructure, hospitals and healthcare facilities, recreational facilities, high-rise buildings, specialty applications, commercial kitchens and laundries, and desalination and water treatment. Grundfos water transfer pumps, smart submersible pumps, and jet pumps. Benefits of water transfer pumps: high efficiency, reliability and durability, versatility, enhanced performance, ease of installation and maintenance, advanced technology, quiet operation, application flexibility, and safety features. Applications of water transfer pumps: residential buildings, commercial buildings, industrial applications, agriculture and farming, municipal and infrastructure, hospitals and healthcare facilities, recreational facilities, high-rise buildings, emergency services, cooling systems and marine applications. Grundfos rainwater drainage drainer submersible pumps. Unlift KPC, Unlift CC, Unlift KP and Unlift AP pumps. Benefits are efficient water removal, versatile applications, robust and durable construction, automatic operation, ease of installation and maintenance, reliable performance, energy efficiency and safety features. Grundfos rainwater drainage drainer submersible pump applications. Residential buildings, commercial buildings, industrial applications, agriculture and farming, municipal and infrastructure, hospitals and healthcare facilities, recreational facilities, high-rise buildings, emergency services, marine and boating and environmental management. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Call 9901901118 or visit our site www.hamsaenviro.com for more details.